To solve the given equation, let's rewrite the equation as x over 1 minus x minus 3 all over 4 is equal to 3. Since the denominators are 1 and 4, the LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. So to eliminate the fraction, we multiply both sides of the equation by 4. 4 times x all over 1 minus 4 times x minus 3 all over 4 is equal to 4 times 3. Simplifying, 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 times 3 will give us 12. So we write as 4x minus 1 times x minus 3 equal to 12. Expanding the bracket, we have 4x minus 1 times x will give us minus x, and minus 1 times 3 will give us plus 3 is equal to 12. 4x minus x will give us 3x. So we have 3x plus 3 is equal to 12. Let's subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. 3x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 12 minus 3. Simplifying, 3 minus 3 will give us 0. 12 minus 3 will give us 9. 3x is equal to 9. We also divide both sides of the equation by 3. 3x divided by 3 is equal to 9 divided by 3. Simplifying, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Also here, 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3. X equal to 3 satisfy the above equation.